Hello, I am Avanti. The question is, in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 10. A perpendicular drop from B meets the side AC at D. A circle of radius BD with center B is drawn. If the circle cuts AB and BC at P and Q respectively, then AT is to QC is equal to. Before we move on with the solution, first we'll draw the figure. Since AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 10, these form a Pythagorean triplet and therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. This is the triangle ABC. Let BD be the perpendicular dropped from B on the side AC. Now we have to find the length of side BD. Let area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB into BC, that is equal to half into 6 into 8. Also, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BD into AC, that is equal to half into BD into 10. Since both these areas are equal, therefore we can write half into 6 into 8 is equal to half into BD into 10. On solving the above, we get BD is equal to 4.8. This implies that the circle has a radius of 4.8. When we draw the circle with B as the center, it will cut AB at a point P and BC at some point Q. Now, AP can be written as AB minus PB, that is equal to 6 minus 4.8, which is equal to 1.2. Also, we can write QC as QC is equal to BC minus BQ, that is equal to 8 minus 4.8, which is equal to 3.2. Thus, AP upon QC is equal to 1.2 upon 3.2, which on simplifying we get 3 by 8. This is our answer, which is option number 4. Thank you.
Hello, I am Amandeep. The question is, equilateral triangle DEF is inscribed in equilateral triangle ABC as shown with DE is perpendicular to BC. What is the ratio of area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC? Solution. We have the given figure equilateral triangle ABC. So we can say that these angles are of 60 degree. DEF is inscribed inside the triangle ABC and this triangle is also equilateral triangle. So these angles are also 60 degree each by the property of equilateral triangle, and DE is perpendicular to BC is given to us. Now, in triangle DEC, we can say that angle DEC is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 60, which give us 30 degree. So we can say that triangle DEC is an 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, in 30, 60, 90 triangle, we can say that CE, that is the side opposite to 90 degree, is equals to 2 times of DC, that is the side opposite to 30 degree. Similarly, angle BDF is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 60 is equals to 30 degree. By the same property, angle DBF is equals to 60 degree. Angle BFD is equals to 90 degree. And similarly, angle FEA is equals to 90 degree. Since triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle, so we can say that three similar triangle, that is three triangles which are connected to DEF are congruent, which means that AE is equals to DC. Let the length of AC is 3 times of x, that is 3x. So we know that CE is equals to 2DC. From this we can say that CE is equals to 2x and DE is equals to root 3 times of x by using the property of 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. Therefore, area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equals to DE upon AC whole square by using the property of congruent triangle. This gives us root 3 times of x whole divided by 3x square, which can be further simplified as 1 by 3. So our answer is option number 3rd. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.